What's going on? What's up? It's Papa Hoss. In today's video, it's going to be a little different than normal. It's not about what I'm cooking, it's what I'm cooking on. And 95 days ago from when I'm making this video right now, I placed an order to Lone Star Grillz for the pellet smoker cabinet smoking cabinet. And I've been patiently waiting. Then I got the call. You guys saw the video, or the short. And yeah, so in this video, I'm going to show you the uncrating of the smoker. I'm going to show you the burn-in. And then we got Porkapalooza coming up, and you know I'm going to have to make a video on that. So that's going to have 2 pork butts, 4 pork bellies, and 6 racks of baby backs, I think. But stay tuned, and I can't wait to show you guys my new smoker. I am super excited. Let's go. For 100 days, I have waited for this. For 100 days, I've been checking my emails. And for 100 days, I've been waiting to make this video. I am super excited. My pellet smoker is finally here. My cabinet smoker from Lone Star Grillz, finally here. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take a knife, get my snippers, get a Sawzall. I'm gonna break this crate down, and I'm gonna unbox this bad boy, so let's go. And when I say I've been excited all day, I mean this thing came at 12. I was having a manic attack. I was ready to pass out in the bathroom. I was so excited. Dude, I'm like, this thing's huge. And I'm hoping it fits under my gazebo. If not, I'll have to have the smokestack out, which is fine, I guess. But good Lord, that thing is a monster. You see the TrueTel Lone Star Grill thing? I'll give you guys a better view when I cut the crate open, so see you after I dismantle this crate. Bye. So I decided not to show you guys me unboxing the smoker because I didn't want you to see me huffing and puffing, but I mean, just look at it. This thing is monstrous. Look at those wheels. Got the off-road package. This thing, and just look at all that cook area. That is so much cooking area. Oh my gosh. But that's gonna do it for tonight, because on Saturday we burn off at noon. Well, like 2:30, 3 o'clock. So we burn off on Saturday. See you then. What's going on, guys? It is Friday, and I was gonna wait until Saturday to do my burn off, but I figured what better day than Friday, because what better time than now, the present. And so I am going to start my burn off now. It's gonna burn while I'm at work, and then that means I can cook on it this weekend if I want. That's pretty nice. All right, see you later. Bye. All right, so I've got the smoker priming. It's gonna be 225 for 6 or 7 hours. And yeah, while it does that, I do need to spray it, so I'll be right back. All right, so I've coated all the sides, the grates, the top, the bottom with some canola oil. I'm letting it get up to the temp. It's gonna be 225 for about 6 or 7 hours, and then I can cook on this bad boy. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so it's been just over an hour into this burn-in session. We are currently sitting at 222.8. Here's Reagan, she says hi.
I got an outfit on.
Yeah, you got an outfit on. And if you can see, that's some clean blue smoke going on. I'm gonna open the door around the 3-hour mark probably, just to see how the grates are looking, but it should take about 6 to 7 hours total. And this burn off is going good. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. All right, so it's been about 3.5 hours of this like 6.5 hour cook, and let's just check on the smoker to make sure it's smoking, I guess. And right now we are currently at 229. We're about 3.5 hours in, so I am gonna check the hoppers to see how we're doing. Barely made a dent in that 40-pound hopper. And let's open it just to see how the racks are looking. They're starting to get like a goldish tint, but they are starting to burn all the oil off. So I will be back when the smoke is done. Just to give my conclusion, my thoughts. I may also show you guys the app in a little bit, but yeah, see you guys later. Bye. So I wanted to show you guys this app that comes with the smoker. It's called Fireboard. I mean, here it is. You've got the set point, so you can set the temperature. It's got the pit temp. It's got how much percentage of the auger is being used. It's got a nice little graph to show you the heat. It's been pretty consistent through this 4-hour cook right now. It's averaging about 218. The high was a 268. The low was an 85. But yeah, it's a pretty sweet app, and I'm happy it actually came along. So yeah. All right, so we're just at, I think just at 6 hours or just under 6 hours, and we are just clocking at 226.1, and I'm gonna let this bad boy go another 30 minutes or so and then turn it off, because I don't want to do it right at 6 hours. I want to make sure everything is good to go. And I mean, this thing is just chugging along. It is a freaking beast. Like, I can't wait to cook on this thing. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Which, when I say tomorrow, I mean next week's video probably. But it is going to be a spatchcock turkey and then a turkey breast, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, it is just, yeah, amazing. I love this freaking thing. Like, would you just look at it? She is so beautiful. Still love my pit bulls, but this is my new toy, and I am absolutely in love. So I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, so at 6 hours and 37 minutes in, I'd say we're done the burn off. The high was a 268. We were shooting for 225. The 268 was right at the beginning, which is expected because they're trying to heat up that huge cavity to cook in. The low was at 85, which is where it started. It was average at around 220, which is pretty amazing for how big the smoker actually is. I'm gonna see if I can shut it off with the app, but that's gonna go ahead and do it for this video, guys. Go ahead, like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Remember, I'm just a backyard guy cooking some barbecue, and now I just happen to have a brand new toy. So I will see you guys later next week, maybe. Peace. Bye.